It's Bonnie. Happy Monday! I am back. Oh my goodness, you guys. Now we got to talk about Bath and Body Works candles because a lot's going on with the candles today in terms of new product. Unfortunately, most of them are not on sale, which is a total bummer because I'm in the store looking at these candles going, I want to get these. I'm like, no, I'm not paying full price for these candles. So, today only, Bath and Body Works is doing buy one, get one free on the holiday traditions candles, which include twisted peppermint, golden berry mistletoe, vanilla bean Noel, and winter candy apple. I believe that winter candy apple and vanilla bean Noel have red and green wax this year. I think I have those on the way because I ordered two this morning. And then I'm like, I'm in the store. I'm going to get these. I've always loved twisted peppermint. One of my favorites. Love the pink wax. So these are $24.95. So they're like $12 and change. Not a bad deal on these. It's funny. I actually like the golden berry mistletoe better in the candle than I do the body care. It's kind of weird. Sparkling berries, sugared spruce, frosted air. I get more of the spruce in the candle. So I don't know what to think about that. But you can get those today on sale. Unfortunately, the other candles not on sale, and they're super cute. So I'm going to put a screenshot up of my first one here. So this is Crunchy English Toffee. I did smell this one. This is going to be one that you're going to want to pick up if you like those foodie scents. I thought it was wonderful. It is sweet brown sugar, crunchy toffee, and a dash of vanilla extract. I loved it. I thought it was perfect. I definitely want to get my hands on these. I love the packaging, by the way. So the next one we have is sugared snickerdoodle. Then we have, I'm going to put a screenshot up, the cinnamon caramel swirl, which is a repackage. It's usually a good one. Then we have, wait a minute, winter candy apple is also in that collection. Why am I picking up twisted peppermint? Holiday traditions and that other collection. But you know what? It's not on sale, so that's just weird. More confusion, Bath and Body Works. What's the other one? It's weird. I don't see this one online. Why am I not seeing? I'm going to put a screenshot up. Is this one not online today? The hot peppermint hot chocolate in the green. I am not seeing that online. Why am I not seeing that? It could just be buried. It's possible. But anyway, there is there it is, peppermint hot chocolate. I didn't see it at first, which is interesting because we do have peppermint hot chocolate already in this jar, which I like equally as much. So then the second set of jars, so we're going to talk about Hanukkah and Feliz Navidad, but the second set of jars, I'm going to put a screenshot up right here. These are super cute. They have like a little bit of a village storybook vibe to them. So those come in Tree Farm. Let me get my list here. Fresh Balsam. Tis the Season. All my favorites, by the way. And then we have, what are the other ones in that style? There were more. But why am I not seeing these online? Winter. That's like a winter and bright Christmas morning. Oh, and champagne toast. There it is. It's kind of got like that Nutcracker feel to it, like story time. I mean, it's cute. It's absolutely cute. It's a little book at the bottom. Again, not on sale today. They also have new online balsam and bergamot. I have not smelled that one yet. I'm kind of curious about it. And then they have wild berry and oob online. And then the other two that they have online are, I'm going to put a screenshot up. Oh my goodness. The Happy Hanukkah candle, which a lot of people are wondering, is this wild berry jam donut? It's very similar. It is pillow fried donut, sweet jelly filling sprinkled with powdered sugar. It looks like it's, a bakery candle. I smelled it on cold. I thought it smelled like bakery. It's similar to wild berry jam donut. It's beautiful. I'm definitely getting that one. And then everyone's talking about the Feliz Navidad candle, which is $32.95. You get that pretty lid. I actually took pictures of that the other day. I smelled it. It's champorado spiced Mexican chocolate, masa, caramel. I'm going to mess this up, you guys. Palacillo and steamed milk. Someone's going to yell at me. I know they are. It smells really good though. It smells like a spicy chocolate. I love it. I cannot wait to get my hands on that one. But it is $32.95. There's new 3-wicks, and there's also Woodlands, which I'm not crazy about. That's the new men's fragrance. And Flannel, which has a new look. So those were the new candles that landed today. But the only ones I recommend buying are your holiday traditions, because again, these are going to be buy one, get one free, which is 50% off. Looks like Sunday, according to tests, we're supposed to be having a 3-wick candle sale. So that's exciting. I would hold off until then. And of course, I know what everyone is talking about today. The Candle Day collection, which I'm not really going to get into too much. We're a long ways off from Candle Day. But the one collection that's really, actually there's 2 collections. One is the Sweet Tooth, which is blueberry lemon sour, candy emporium, caramel drizzle, and lavender marshmallows back. That one's wonderful. These are going to be hot this year. I know they are. And then the other 2 that are really interesting, the Candy Cane Colada and the Cosmopolitan. I don't know what the scent notes are in those, but those are very intriguing. I feel like we're getting some interesting candles this year for Candle Day, so that's exciting. So lots of new stuff rolling in. I'm going to get my hands on these candles. I'm going to start reviewing, but I would hold off until Sunday unless you're buying the holiday traditions. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I'm going to do one more video later. I'll see you guys then. Bye-bye.